Greetings, it's Eric Bakker, the Naturopath from New Zealand. Thanks for coming back, checking out my channel. We're on to video 3 of the Ultimate Candida Cleanse Lite. So today we're going to talk about bowel function and why it's so important to get that bowel working every single day. It's a turning point in many people's lives. I hear what you're saying, but I'm pooping every day. That's not what I'm looking at. I'm looking at easy eliminations, daily eliminations, and preferably 2, if not more, bowel motions per day. This tells me that you're well hydrated and you've got good fiber content, and that stuff's just clearing the body like it should. So the most important signal I look at in stage 1 with people, it's nothing to do with if they're eating gluten or not, or if they've cut out milk out their diet, or if they've eaten rice from an organic farm. I don't care about those things. All I care about is how well waste is being eliminated from the body. That's what I care about in the first stage. It's not glamorous, it's not sexy, but this one move changes everything for a lot of people. Here's the thing, most people think that Candida cleansing or SIBO or irritable bowel syndrome work means killing, wiping out, but it doesn't. It means balancing. The pattern I've seen for nearly 40 years. Your body knows how to detoxify if the routes are open. It knows how to do this. It's perfectly capable of cleaning itself up given the right conditions. That's providing the exit routes and the runways clear, because if the bowel becomes sluggish and eliminations aren't excellent every single day, these are the things that happen. Toxins get reabsorbed, microbial waste lingers longer in the bowel, Candida is much harder to shift, and so is dysbiotic bacteria. The nervous system stays irritated in a low-grade inflammatory condition, and leaky gut gets worse. These are the things that slowly over time breed autoimmune conditions. And this is also why a lot of aggressive protocols backfire on a lot of people and drive them to my clinic like they have for decades in the past. And if the body's not capable of an excellent elimination, it's going to stir you up internally as well. In stage 1, the goal is very clear. 1 to 2 soft bowel motions every single day. Easy elimination. Not loose, not strained, not every 3 days, not every 2 days. Similar time and simple elimination. That's exactly what we're looking for. Steady, comfortable, and complete eliminations. Now here's the thing. When your bowel's working better, you're going to notice clarity in the head. You're going to think and feel better. You're going to have more energy. Your blood sugar is going to be more balanced. You're going to feel a lot more comfortable. There's going to be no bloating or gas. You're also going to sleep better, and you're not going to wake up between 3 to 5 a.m. like a lot of people do with a poor functioning bowel. And here's the important thing. These improvements often occur before significant digestive symptoms resolve themselves. That's not random, that's physiology working in your favor. The big mistake I see, people trying to force bowel motions, harsh laxatives, ridiculous amounts of fiber. Yes, they may alleviate symptoms sometimes, but they create excessive gut irritation. They start depleting electrolytes and create nervous system imbalance. They mess up your bowel flora. They can also send you straight into relapse. Your digestive system responds much better to gentleness, calm routines, eating the right kind of food, and nothing excessive. Key message here is don't overstimulate the bowel. Let's talk about supplementation during this stage. Gentle supplementation works quite well for many people, particularly magnesium powder and water. Also, probiotics will help many people at this stage. Digestive enzymes offer excellent support during this stage. Remember, if supplements are used, they should feel supportive and never forceful. And the Yeast formulations were designed to work around these stages. But again, they're purely an option. Remember that food, hydration, and routine always come first. Always. Let's do a quick self-check. I want you to ask yourself, am I more regular in my bowel function than I was 1 or 2 weeks ago? Am I finding it easier to have an elimination? Is it more complete? Am I experiencing less bloating? Another question you could ask, am I experiencing less gas? If their answer is even slightly yes to any of those 4 questions, then we know that stage 1 is working for you. If the answer is no, like nothing's changed, it doesn't mean you failed. It just means we've got to adjust the protocol to suit you. You need to change the pace. Okay, so let's keep it simple at this part of the program. Here's a couple of points I want you to consider. Follow the stage 1 food guidance like you did with the last video, pages 13 to 32. Check those out. Drink water consistently, big one. Every morning when you get up, I'd like you to have at least 1 full glass of water. Eat vegetables and fruits that feel comfortable for your tummy. Legumes, beans, peas. Just make sure it's comfortable for your gut, and keep your portion sizes reasonable. Don't eat too much food. Create regular meals and regular bathroom rituals. You don't need more rules, you don't need more supplements, you don't need to push through discomfort. Remove feels best and most supportive when your body feels safe. Steady beats aggression. Remember that one. In the next video, in video 4, we're going to talk about a very important topic. We're going to talk about a gentle bowel cleanse. The type of bowel support that actually makes the later stages work really well. Because if the flow improves and the runway is clear, life's going to get a lot easier for you and a lot more comfortable. Thank you for tuning into video 3, and we'll catch up in video 4. Don't forget to like and sub. Thank you.